Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Aimlabs game crashing or not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PC or Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on exit, and after that click on Windows icon over here, then click on power and select restart. So this will restart your PC. So after restarting your PC and Steam, now try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to modify launch option. So go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general in the launch option you should type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, then type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this solution helps you. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties over here, then click on installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check if this solution has resolved the issue. Next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager, and then go below, expand your display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers option. So this will search for the best drivers and install it, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. So if you have other drivers on your PC, so for that I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it, please paste it on your browser. From here you need to select the driver of your that is on a PC and then find, and after that download the latest drivers on your PC. For Nvidia, the same thing you need to do for AMD users. So simply download the latest drivers, and Intel users also simply open the link, click on graphics over here, select your drivers and update the drivers to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution helps you. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select the application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then click on run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings, and here you need to search for the game if it's listed. So in my case it's listed over here. If not, then you can add it by going through allow another app, click on browse and then go to the game folder where it is been installed and select the application and add it over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. For that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you should check if any update is available. Simply click on check for updates option, and after that, once your Windows is updated, now try to play the game and see if it works. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the graphics settings, search for graphics settings over here, and here you need to check if your game is added over here. If not, simply you need to add it. So add desktop app, then go to the path where your game has been installed, Steam, then Steam apps, common, and here you need to add your game application. Then click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, select high performance, and then try to launch the game and check if this solution helps you. Next is to check graphic settings. So you should check the settings of your game is set to low, like texture quality, resolutions, or other things. Make sure all these settings are properly set up and make it low to avoid unwanted issues. You can also go to settings, then graphics quality, and from here you can set it to fastest and even adjust the max queued frames, and after that try to play the game and see if it works for you now. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the taskbar settings, click on task manager, then under process tab find the app switches of no use or consuming high resources, select it and simply right click on it, click on end task, and this will close the background task on your. Try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. The website will open. From here, go below and simply select and download the Visual C++ files on your PC, and after that try to play the game and see if this solution has helped you. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall option over here. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, simply restart your PC once, then again launch Steam, reinstall the game, and after that relaunch and check if it's working now without any further problem. So all these are few solutions suggested to fix Aimlabs game crashing or not launching or not loading error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.